This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your online status on the Discord app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Discord app. To enable or disable your online status, you want to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to where you see your username. You want to tap on that. Then you want to tap on your username right up here. It says change online status. It gives you 4 different options. By default, yours is probably toggled on to online. You could toggle on idle, you could toggle on do not disturb, or you can toggle on invisible. Those are your options. That is how to enable or disable your online status on the Discord app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.